What's up, guys? This is my 1966 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, and today, just a little quick update. I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch out these Daytons right here and go ahead and put on the factory 14s and hubcaps, since I've never seen how they actually look with the actual factory hubcaps and wheel setup on here, and just see how it looks. See you in a second. Hey, what's up, guys? Obviously I ran out of time yesterday evening to finish up the wheels, so I'm back out here today, and I went ahead and got the factories on the car right now. They're a little rust, but those are the originals that came with the car, except for this back wheel right here. So we will be placing these on there. And we did remove the standard Daytons. See that right there? Yeah, that says Dayton. So they're not China's, and they're not importing anything from China, so I don't know what you boys are gonna do now. And like that, you have it. Factory fresh 66 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. Just a quick little update, nothing crazy. The reason I'm actually putting the factory tires on there is because I'm actually putting the car for sale. So it's gonna go up tonight. We'll see how it goes. Y'all have a good one.